Good evening. Welcome to Gigi's Haunted Menagerie. Join us as I sit and talk with the spirits and play and communicate here at the menagerie. All right. Welcome back to the menagerie with Gigi. And as you can see, that cat ball is going off. Now, guys, what you don't know is that cat ball is sitting in a bowl of little dog biscuit treats. And the reason for that is because I have asked my sister, who has all of our pets with her, she has confirmed that she has all of our pets with her, from my son's guinea pig Guinness that you have seen videos of us talking to, her bringing him to see us, to both of our dogs, Anzac and Daisy. Anzac is a blue heeler, or was a blue heeler, and my Daisy is a tricolor corgi. And I am going to zoom in real quick so you can get a picture of them. That's Anzac, my handsome baby, and that's my little mom. And I have asked my sister this whole weekend to bring my babies to see us. And as you just saw, was that one of my babies? Could be. Lara, will you allow me to see their skeletal form? I've got the SLS going. Now, my dog, Daisy, did not like any of those squeaky toys. She would literally rip the squeaker out of those things. She hated them. So I am going to squeak one just to see what happens. Mom, are you here? Pookie, come see Mom. Come here. Make that ball light up for me, baby. Now remember, Lara, you are not allowed to touch the cat ball. Only Daisy and Zach have to touch it when they want to get a cookie out of that bowl. Okay? And guys, I know my sister won't touch it. If I tell her not to touch it, she won't. So if that ball lights up, I'm pretty sure it's one of our dogs trying to get a biscuit out of that bowl. See? I put little biscuits in the bowl just so you can see. Daisy, come back, baby. Anzac, come back. Come play. I can't whistle, y'all. I suck at whistling. Come back. So I did do a short video where I did catch an image. It could have been my sister bringing them to see us. It didn't look like a animal skeletal form. It looked more like human, so it could have been my sister bringing them to see us. So watch that video. But I did catch, that I'm going to add to this video, I did catch an image yesterday when the ball went off the first time of an image that was not human, that looked more like a shape of a dog's body a little bit. So kind of like a barrel shape. So is that something at the treats? Daisy and Zach, is that you by the cookies? Is that you by your treats? So guys, that may be one of our dogs, Anzac or Daisy, also known as Pookie or Mom, trying to get a treat out of that bowl. Guys, that is really cool. So they say our pets, people say they're not with us, but there's proof that there is, that they are. They do stay with us. Who's that? Was that one of my babies? All right, guys, so you can see there's something there trying to get a treat out of that bowl. More to come. With that, thanks for watching this video and joining in on another menagerie session with Gigi. We will catch you later. Thank you for joining us tonight for another session of the Haunted Menagerie. We do hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you soon. Good night.